All right, in this video we are going to calculate the volume of a torus. A torus is just a donut. I just found this link, and so this has a nice representation of that formula and how we can do that. Okay, so I'm going to leave this on the screen over here. If you want to open this up, you totally can. I'll include that link in the description. All right, so let's go ahead. We have our inner radius ID and our outer radius. Let's go ahead and make a function called calculate torus volume, which will get called. We'll say let inner equals parse float. We've got to make it a number. Document.getElementById inner dot value. That's what we're going to parse. Okay, we're going to copy that, and we're going to get the outer, the outer variable. And now I'm just going to look back here and see that A is the inner and B is the outer. So I think just to be consistent with that, I'm going to name these A for inner and B for outer. All right, so we have our inputs. Now we just have to say let volume, and then we'll say document.getElementById output div dot inner HTML equals volume. Now we just have to calculate it. We'll say equals, and let's see here. We have 1 divided by 4 times math.pi squared times, in parentheses, a plus b times, in parentheses, b minus a, and that needs to get squared as well. Okay, so if we look back over here, and close that down just a little bit. Okay, that's what I just went off of to write that. Let's see if this works. We'll test it against that website stuff. All right, so I'm going to save that. Let's see here. So I'm going to say 1 and 2 and calculate the volume, and it says 7.4. And if we go back, you can see that that does match. They're both 7.4022 and so on. So hopefully this helps clear that up. I'll look forward to seeing you guys in our next video.